courtesy of Triad Realty Group LLC. Welcome to 900 South Hanley Road, nestled in the beautiful Clayton, Missouri. If you're into high rises, this condo is for you. Clayton is home to many businesses within the local downtown and surrounding areas. If shopping is your thing, you're near grocery stores as well as nice boutiques and any type of self-care places you like to visit. You'll enjoy the extra security as well as the 24/7 concierge. As you can see, this is a well-established neighborhood, nice building, and there are plenty of amenities to keep you busy. This is privacy at its best. You take the elevator up and you go to your future home. Condominium 14B. This place has been updated with clean, nice floors. As you can see, the furnishings adore the room. Very traditional setting, or it could be contemporary, whatever your style is. Freshly painted throughout. Nice view of Clayton downtown. An aerial view of the St. Louis area. Perfect space for a nice dinner, entertaining guest. The kitchen also has been updated with fresh paint throughout, newer appliances, and newer flooring. You can cook your favorite meals here and entertain family and friends for the holidays. Store your favorite mementos and cookbooks along the nice cabinetry. You have a nice little space here to put a kitchen table or a bar to eat in the kitchen. Morning coffee will be a great experience here. Nice big pantry, and that is an exit door to leave the kitchen or bring groceries in, whatever makes it easy for you. If you like to entertain, this is the best place to do it. The entry foyer, look at the skylights adorning the walls, perfect for your favorite paintings. A closet that can be used for any type of storage, and you can also put a washer and dryer in there with a special hookup. This is the nice bathroom, large enough to take care of all your personal needs. This is one of the 2 bedrooms. Again, nice views of the Clayton area and a large closet for all your wonderful attire. Great views overlooking the St. Louis area as well as downtown Clayton. Again, the walk-in closet with enough storage on the top and the bottom for shoes and clothing. Let's head to the master bedroom. As you can see, there's some nice square footage here for a king-size bed and any type of furniture you choose to add in there. Dresser, couch, and then the walk-in closet for everyone that's organized. This walk-in closet is sectioned off for all your special attire. Newly finished. Drawers for all your scarves and your other necessities, or your ties and belts. Extra storage. Here's the master bathroom. There's plenty of place to store all your necessities plus more. And let's not forget this beautiful painting that's etched into the wall. As you can see, this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo has everything you need to upsize, downsize, or just to level up in your life so you can catch these beautiful views of Clayton. Let's head to the laundry room. This is in the lower level, and as you can see, there's full-size laundry for your accommodations. Clothing, bedding, whatever you need, it's available to help you assist with your laundry. This is the extra storage that's located on the lower level as well. So whatever you don't want to put upstairs, you can put down here. There is a fee to maintain this locker storage area. And then you have the garage. This garage is where you can park your car so you don't have to park it on the street. If you're that exercise buff that loves to keep in shape, here's your own private gym with enough equipment to stay in shape. And you also have a bathroom in here as well to freshen up. All equipment is updated. Let's head upstairs to the clubhouse. Now these are the mailboxes that are for the residents, and then this is the clubhouse. You can come in here to entertain guests, have a social gathering, play cards, whatever you want to do. Being a part of this condo association, you get to utilize this whole space. And this is the office. You can come in here and do some business, print, meet a client. Welcome to the private pool area. Great place for summer entertaining, a picnic, and a barbecue. If this luxurious high-class condo interests you, reach out to us at Triad Realty Group. For $245,000, you can call this place home.